Hi, this is Dave, and it's January 2023, and I'm doing a still life tutorial where I'm painting in life. I'm doing 3 earth tone paintings. I'm mixing in some brighter color to give it some more brightness and chroma. And yeah, if I look different, it's because I've lost some weight and I've had open heart surgery back in December. So I'm back to painting now. It's now January and I'm feeling quite well and I'm recovering quite fine. Anyway, here's a still life I've set up inside a box that I spray painted black. It's a painter's still life with some tubes of paint and a bottle of paint and some brushes and pencils and a palette knife and a spoon. And here's the second one with a tequila bottle, a watch, some sunflowers, a chalice, and a cross, and a napkin on the ground. And here's the third one with a clock, a bracelet, a shaker, some orchids, some sunflowers, a vase, and a Bible to the left of the vase. See that there? And there's fine details in there. You can see in the orchid that I'll be painting, some fine details. And in the clock is in glass, so it's going to be kind of difficult to paint, but I'll get it. And in this one, in the second one, there's a cross hanging off the chalice. There's fine details in the label and stuff like that. And the watch is mechanical, so I'm setting myself up for a difficult paint. Here's what I've done so far on the first one, the painter's still life. And as you can see, I've started with a white canvas and drawn the still life on it. And then I'm painting from light to dark. You always want to paint from light to dark. As you can tell, I put yellow ochre in first, and then I put some raw umber over top. Here's the second in the series. You see the second one in the series? That box is spray painted black to give it some shadow and depth and some light as well. Here's the third one in the series with the mechanical clock and the orchid and the sunflowers and the shaker. There's a Bible in there too. And here's the paint I'm using. I'm doing an earth tone, and earth tones are typically brown. So I have some raw umber, some burnt umber, some raw sienna, some burnt sienna, and some yellow ochre. And with these two, burnt sienna and yellow ochre, you can mix an orange. With yellow ochre and raw umber, you can mix a green. And if you add white to burnt sienna, you get a nice flesh tone. I'm going to mix in some color with some cerulean blue, some permanent magneta, and some yellow and cadmium red, just to give some chroma to my colors, my earth tones. I'm also using ivory black and titanium white. Yeah, and that's the way you do a still life. Anyway, I want you to listen to this. If you listen carefully, that's the sound of my mechanical valve in my heart. And that's what a $200,000 surgery gets you. That's the sound of my mechanical valve beating. Have a nice day.